it can be difficult to find the best blender for everyday use. Fortunately for you, in today's video, we'll go through the top 8 finest blenders in 2022. Keep in mind that this rating is based on our personal preferences, reviews, and financial worth. For further information about each blender, see the descriptions below. Please remember to like, subscribe, and switch on notifications for more videos like this before we begin. Also, please let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover in the comments section below. Ninja BL480D is in number 8. The Ninja BL480D is $69.99 on Amazon and has over 16,970 reviews. The blender received a 4.7 on blending power, ease of use, ease of cleaning, and durability, according to the reviewers. It includes a 1,000-watt motor that can pulverize ice to snow in seconds, making creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. Intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and stopping patterns that perform the work for you can take the guesswork out of drink making. With its pro extractor blades that revolve at high speeds to liquefy materials into smooth nutrition extractions, smoothies, and purees, it has a professional blade performance. Fruits and vegetables are used to make a drink that is high in vitamins and nutrients. It's also simple to clean, as all of the components are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. A 75 recipe inspiration book is included to get you started with easy-to-make smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. Ninja is in number 7. Today's list includes another Ninja brand, which costs $109.99 and has over 2,735 Amazon ratings. This blender received a 4.8 on easy to use, blending power, easy to clean, and versatility, according to the ratings. Its stacked blade assembly and high-performance Pro Extractor Blades assembly shatter frozen foods and ice easily. For enhanced versatility and utility, a 5-cup precision processor bowl, chopping, and dough blade assembly is included. It has 3 different functions: combination blender, ice crusher, and food processor with 1200 watts of performance power to really customize your drink-making experience. Intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, mixing, and stopping patterns that do the work for you take the guesswork out of drink preparation. To take your concoctions on the road, blend immediately in the 18 Oz. Single-serve cup and attach the spout cover. Pro Extractor Blades assembly for single-serve cups, stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, dough blade and chopping blade for processing bowl. You can also add healthy ingredients to the dough for pizzas, bread, and other baked goods. When you buy it, you'll get a 15-recipe inspiration guide to help you make great smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. Dishwasher-safe and BPA-free parts are easy to clean. In number 6 we have the Vitamix A2500. The Vitamix A2500 is available in a variety of colors, including white, black, slate, and red. It costs $499.95 and has over 880 Amazon reviews. This blender received a 4.8 on material quality, durability, bleeding power, and sheerness, according to the reviews. For smoothies, hot soup, and frozen desserts, there are 3 program settings that provide walk-away convenience and consistent outcomes. With this blender, you have complete control over the texture of any dish, thanks to the variable speed control and pulse feature. The motor base, which has built-in wireless communication, can read the container size you've chosen and change program parameters and maximum blending durations accordingly. With recipes that you prepare manually, a built-in digital timer eliminates the guesswork and helps you get the exact texture every time. Add a variety of compatible container sizes to create a blending system tailored to your specific needs. Hamilton Beach is number 5. The Hamilton Beach blender is $39.99 on Amazon and has over 33,540 reviews. If you're willing to spend an extra $20, you can get a sleek blender that includes a travel container for your smoothies. The blender uses 700 watts of peak blending power for powerful ice smashing. The 700-watt blender continuously draws the contents down into the blades, resulting in a smooth smoothie. The multi-function blender includes 12 blending functions and only 5 simple buttons on the easy-to-see control panel. Smoothies, icy drinks, shakes, and more all be made with this powerful blender. The blender is simple to clean, and the blades can be removed for a more thorough clean. The jar, blades, and lid are all dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. The distinctive no-mess pouring spout is included with the multi-functional blender. The blender has a 4.1 rating for ease of cleaning, sheerness, durability, and material quality, according to the reviews. Bear Countertop Blender is number 4. The basic, simplistic blender costs $31.99 and has over 600 Amazon reviews. This countertop blender, also known as a high-speed blender, has a 700W powerful engine and a 3-speed control that allows you to obtain even nutrition in a variety of smoothie textures in. Has a 700W powerful engine and a 3-speed control that allows you to obtain even nutrition in a variety of smoothie textures in seconds. To handle the components and create an unlimited selection of delectable cocktails, 4 hardened stainless steel blades stir at rapid speed. It's also simple to clean. The pulse feature makes crushing ice in brief bursts of intense blending a breeze. Simply add some soap and warm water, and it will begin to clean itself in one step. For large batches of frozen drinks and smoothies for family gatherings, the 40-ounce professional total crushing blender jar is ideal. Plus, a measuring cup makes serving and pouring ingredients a breeze. By adjusting the speeds, you can easily extract a variety of healthy shakes and smoothies, baby food, frozen drinks, puree, nuts, and jam. The blender is more stable and quieter while working thanks to the non-slip pad on the bottom. Our primary goal is your safety, which is why this blender is on today's list, and the smoothing maker has a safety lock. The blender can only be used normally when the safety lock is in the correct position. In number 3 we have the Nutribullet. The Nutribullet costs $119.99 and has received over 10,385 positive reviews on Amazon. With the versatility of both a multi-serving pitcher and a single-serve cup, the Nutribullet blender combo will take your nutrition extraction to the next level. At the touch of a button, you have full control over 3 precision speeds, a pulse function, and the extract program. Smoothies, soups, sauces, nut butter, and more can all be made with 1200 watts of power. The extractor blade is composed of strong stainless steel and features cyclonic action for effortless twisting. The high-performance plastic pitcher and cups are BPA-free and extremely robust. Place the pitcher and cups in the dishwasher and run them through a cycle. With soap and water, you may easily twist the extractor blades. This blender has a 4.8 rating in terms of adaptability, ease of use, blending power, and ease of cleaning, according to the reviews. Vitamix E310 is number 2. The Vitamix blender, which costs $289.95 and has over 5,170 reviews on Amazon, comes in 3 colors: black, red, and slate. From the smoothest purees to the heartiest soups, 10 variable speeds allow you to fine-tune any texture with gourmet accuracy. For heartier recipes like chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups, layer coarse chops over smooth purees. The 48-ounce container is great for modest family meals in medium amounts. Cutting blades with a diameter of 3 inches ensures a consistent blend every time. This blender's aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are engineered to handle the toughest ingredients, ensuring consistent results from the first to the final blend. Your Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds with a sprinkle of dish soap and warm water. This blender gets a 4.8 on easy to use, durability, easy to clean, and blending power, according to the reviews. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos like this before we reveal the first and best blender on our list. Breville is ranked first. The Breville Super Q, which costs $455 and has over 230 reviews on Amazon, is ranked first. The Breville Exceptionally Q is a commercial-grade blender that is super speedy, powerful, and personal. Thanks to noise suppression technology, the most powerful motor, 5 one-touch programs, and 12-speed options offer smooth and soft textures with less noise. This high-performance Breville blender includes a powerful 1800-watt motor with 186 miles per hour blade tip speed under load for rapid results when blending your favorite fresh fruit and veggie combinations. The best part about this blender is that it comes with an extra blade system that allows you to combine meals and liquids right in your personal blender. It has an intelligent base that identifies the 68-ounce jug or your personal blender and improves performance automatically. For smoother and softer textures, it has a simple selection and excellent texture optimization. With this powerful blender, you can make natural nut butter and more. This blender has a 5.0 rating on easy to clean, easy to use, blending power, and durability, according to the reviews. That's all we have for today, folks. Let us know which blender was your favorite in the comments section below. We'd love to know. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos like this if you enjoyed today's video. Please let us know what more you'd want to see in the comments section below. We'll see you next time, take care.